Hello everybody and welcome to another video of Bib Fix It, and today I'm here to show you the final result of the bathroom that I've been working on for the last 6 weeks, and here it is. Here's the seat in the shower. It's nice and comfy with the rain shower head, and here we've got a big side screen, end screen, light have been fitted as well, cornicing and tidal rail everywhere, and a new bath as well. Very nice bath this, and super duper toilet as well. And here we have the new sink as well, as I said, adapted. This was not a unique for bathroom, so we basically cut the hole in it and put a slate on top, and the window ledge is also slate. So we're planning to do a new window as well, and that's pretty much it. Just a shelf to come here for the bath, so it's quite handy to have all the products in it. And that's pretty much it for this part. Now next is this part. That's going to be totally gutted, partition taken out here, and then room done.